We design, build and operate these unmanned surface vehicles. So there's USVs, as we call them. They're wave-propelled USVs, so they're a little bit different. What it's designed to do is to go at sea for many weeks, so it's built to be robust, and when it's at sea, we'll operate it remotely. So it's out there collecting data over a period of many weeks and months for scientists or defence or oil and gas clients, and what we do is we make sure the boat is safe and also that data is coming back, and that data is that valuable element. The real benefits to the end user of these Autonaut USVs is twofold. One is that they're carbon zero, so they use no carbon emissions, they're wave propelled and use solar panels as well to power their sensors and themselves. And it's that element of data, it's collecting that data. These systems can go to hostile and remote places that it's removed the risk of offshore personnel going to. Our competitive advantage over other USVs, and there are a few other USVs, most of those are powered now, so they only go at sea for a day or two at most. Of the ones that can go further, we have the ability to keep on track. We're really good at staying on course, which is important. You want to know where these USVs are. We're also a bit bigger than a lot of those other renewably powered USVs, so we can put more sensors in them. Our USVs operate in all sorts of environments, in seas all around the world. We've deployed in the mid-Pacific, in the North Atlantic and remote parts of West Africa. So we like to be over the horizon. The USV likes to be out of sight and use satellite comms in the deep blue ocean, but also we worked in coastal waters off the UK. We primarily export to Europe. We have a client base of marine institutes in Europe, although they operate the vessel all over the world. Well, we're really excited to get more traction in North America. We're building up from our customer base in Europe with marine institutes. We have a prototype in the States, down in Texas, and there's some really exciting stuff going on both the East Coast and the West Coast, and Canada too. So we're really keen to export more there. Also in the South Americas, there's some work going on as well. And we're also looking at the Far East market, where there's some real interest from the defence sector. So the app really improves on the way we currently do overseas sales, because we can get engagement from the client at quite an early stage too, and they get a real feel for the nuts and bolts of the product. It takes a moment to explain a wave-propelled uncrewed surface vessel anyway, but to get under the skin of it so they can really see where their sensors are going to go, how we can bespoke build it for them, for their needs. Going forward, this app will really change the way we do business, I think. In the first instance, at trade shows, we don't have to haul one of these USVs physically so people can see it, understand it, so that first level of engagement will come a lot quicker. And then as we go through the sales process, we can really begin to not just to feel our way around the internals, so the customer gets a sense of what their individual USV will look like, but also build it, change it, try ideas out, and move through so we can get the best possible product for the customer.
My name is Paul Coles and I'm a non-exec director at the heart of the Southwest LEP. I'm really hoping this app creates a new way of selling globally for companies in the Southwest and the rest of the UK. What a fantastic way to protect the environment by not travelling all over the globe to pitch when you can simply use this type of technology. Hopefully it'll also lower the cost of sale, which is crucial, especially if you're a small company where costs are hugely important. I think this app is hugely important and hugely timely. COVID has created a great swathe of buyers that no longer insist on people selling to them face to face. So this is a huge opportunity for all, and one that we should embrace. I really like it.